Silky, shiny, yours, brittle, dry hair, prepare for replenishment. Your Art Naturals shampoo and conditioner set for curly hair or straight nourishes, repairs and hydrates like none other. Mega Moisture, your organic shampoo and conditioner set is a dream for dry, damaged hair. Moroccan argan oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, and aloe vera help smooth, soften and strengthen. Set to refresh, forget natural shampoo and conditioner that leave your locks feeling stiff or oily. Ideal for all hair types, your Salon shampoo and conditioner set cleanses without residue. Clean formula. Art Naturals values align with your own. We ethically craft your curly hair shampoo and conditioner set without animal testing, parabens, sulfates and animal-derived components. Our promise: achieve enviable locks with your Art Naturals hair repair shampoo and conditioner. We specialize in quality beauty essentials, customer service, and your happiness. The duo for dreamy hair. Love the look and feel of your hair with your Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. Your luxurious set cleanses and moisturizes for silky, model-worthy tresses. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely worth it. I have the shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. It did miracles with my hair. It was dried, half dead, always tangled, and now my hair is back to life. It's super soft, smooth and smells amazing.